Hey, what's up? How's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a siren head. It's going to be like a shoulders and up kind of thing. Should be pretty easy, all right? I think. I'm going to be using this, a marker, and that's it. So let's gotta jump right into it, all right? I'm going to go right here on this side, and I'm going to start with one of his sirens. He's going to have a curve over here on the outside. Pulling in. Pulling underneath. It says one siren sticking out. Gonna pull up because he's got like a post there in the middle. Curve. Down a little bit. And then we're gonna have the other siren over here come out. I'm gonna have a tongue come from the mouth of the siren here. Another tongue over here. Curve over here. Curve along this outer end right here. So now you have like a siren pretty much. Over here on this side, I'm literally just going to draw like a circle. It's going to be like a coin almost. Pulling down. On the way down this post, I'm going to throw a couple of lines here underneath. Going down to the upper chest, so the clavicles here. So now we're going to go into like a much more human-like body. Don't forget, hit the like button if you like Siren Head or if you like this kind of stuff. I'm going to be posting every day of the week. Well, I'm sorry, every weekday. I'm going to post a different lesson on maybe scary stuff. So through the year. And don't forget to check out the long form videos. If you're really pushing to become a better artist in general, go check out my courses on Skillshare. I'm going to have the announcement for that at the very end. So go over here, the arm. Over here on this side, arm. So it's got that those shoulders. I'm going to go over here and pull across the pectoralis. Like the pec. Line up over here. Middle of the pec here. Not yet, actually. I'm going to go over here to the shoulder. Sorry, the tricep and stuff. Over here on this side. You're going to have the upper arms kind of going down. And then you're going to have the chest here. Over here on this side as well. And maybe his waist right here. Back of that elbow, pulling down. Over here. So we have his general body right there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to add on detail because he's got like a lot of veins and weird stuff. So over here, he's got teeth inside that microphone. So I'm just going to throw that zigzag shape. Line over here. And I'm going to fill in this curve liner on the side. Line over here. Line over here. And I'm throwing in these like curved lines here because he's kind of got like kind of quasi organic stuff wrapped around here. It looks like vines, but it's not. It's like supposed to be veins. So I'm throwing these little thin lines around just selectively, randomly almost. I'm throwing these lines just to kind of make it look like the veins and stuff are wrapping around some of these areas. Over here on this other microphone, I'm going to put teeth here. And teeth on top. And then I'm going to fill in the middle part right here. Don't forget to hit the subscribe if you haven't. And hit the bell notification. Like I said, I post constantly. Line over here. On this side as well. On that side, the veins on that side. Down over here, there's going to be just like some veins coming in. There's muscles like the sternocleidomastoid And there's a lot of different stuff in here, but you kind of put it down here. Line over here. Now the striations on his chest, and I'm going to throw some of that in there. Like so. Over here. On his arms as well, striations on his arms. I'm going to throw over here a dark part of his armpit over here. And you're going to be able to see his ribs, so I'm going to curve a line here. Put a little bit more striation here in his chest area. And then you're going to see his ribs pretty much. And underneath too is going to be a large kind of caved in area of his ribs. A lot of his character comes from the details, okay? So like you're going to find that a lot within horror characters, because the characters are like undead. They're going to have, or like scaly, they're going to have a lot of undead features. So they're going to just come off really either like muscly or something like that, or craggly. And so most of that is going to be in the details. Like so. Kind of put in like some dark shapes here. All right, and then over here as well, kind of striations here on the midsection to make it look all skinny and weird and gaunt. And a couple lines up here. If you really want, you can do stuff like this. Like, you know, the noise that's coming out of those horns there. But that's it. That is Siren Head. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed that. Like I said, let me know what you think. Do me a huge favor. Go check out, and do yourself a favor. Go check out the long form lessons on Skillshare. There's a lot of stuff to learn there. That's it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that. That's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link, that gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy. And the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later.